Okay, hello guys.
Hello guys.
Move in now. So, we're going to do the cornflakes test. I saw this on TikTok, okay? A packet of cornflakes and 2 yogurts. And then we have like 2 spoons and 2 bowls. Right. Kom, skryf aan. Sy moet nog kyk. Okay. So here is what yogurt you gonna choose? The pink or
Das.
you see this pink and yellow?
Das.
Pink, the girl one.
Yes.
Okay. He's gonna choose pink. What ball are you gonna take?
Das.
You're gonna take this one. Why do I take?
No, das.
Okay. You take blue and I take pink. Okay. So our yogurt, I'm just going to do like, okay. Before I open it, I'm just going to open some cornflakes. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. I'm gonna pour some cornflakes in.
Something.
Okay.
1, 2,
Okay.
3.
Okay. Pour some by me. Okay.
Tomato.
Yeah, so cornflakes. There's the cornflakes poured into the bowl. Now each one has the yogurt. Mine say kiwi and pineapple. And then he says, I think it's, can't see lekker. Oh yeah. Okay, so there we go. So here's mine, okay? So first I'm gonna open my yogurt, okay?
So first me.
Second you.
Second you. First me, second you.
Nico yogurt. Okay. So here's my yogurt. Open. Now I'm just gonna take my spoon and like pour in the Kellogg's. So now I'm just gonna stir. Ano? Die môre sabi ko ay. Hou op jou groot ou kind. Is the third well.
Don't ask, just give.
Good.
Dus continue weer doen. Bak gaan.
Good. Kom.